Today we're going to do another hairstyle.
Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this cute, simple 2-bun hairstyle. So I started off by spraying her hair with this spray bottle. And friends, all the products that I use in this video, I'll have in the description box below for you. And now I'm just going to create a diagonal part. So I did start off by using the tail end of this comb, and then I went back to my original comb, which I do love so much. I got this one from Walmart. I think this does help create nice parts, but also I do sometimes like to use the tail end of that other comb. When I feel like I can't get a nice straight part, I will use that just to help me out a bit. And then this is what my part looks like. And now I'm just gonna get a ponytail in, but before I do that, I'm going to spray her hair with the spray bottle, and then I'm going to use my wide tooth comb and make sure her hair is all nice and detangled. And now I'm just gonna add some edge control to her edges. And friends, if you watch my last video, you will know that I am trying out some other edge controls, and I will be having a review video out for you guys in the next couple of weeks. I'm still waiting on another one to come in the mail, but if you do watch all my videos, you know that I love using Blueberry Bliss control paste. But yeah, I'm gonna try out some other ones. But anyways, this one's by Design Essentials. It's the Honey and Shea Edge Tamer, and it works pretty good. And then now I'm just using my detangler brush just to smooth out that ponytail before I get that elastic in. So friends, as you can see, I'm brushing that hair towards the front, and I'm gonna place that elastic. I wanna place it to as close to the edge as I possibly can, and I'm gonna place it right above the arch of her eyebrow. So now I'm just gonna use this bun maker to create a bun, and I just take that bun maker and I put the ponytail through that hole, and then I just take her hair and I'm gonna try as my best to evenly spread it around that bun. You wanna spread it around evenly so the bun looks nice and even. And friends, as you notice, I'm using a brown bun maker just because I needed to buy a new one. My old ones were just getting way too old, and the dollar store only had brown ones, so I had to go for the brown ones. Anyways, as you can see, after I spread the hair all around the bun maker, I am detangling it. You want to detangle it just so that it looks nice and smooth as possible with the curly hair anyways. And then I'm just grabbing this elastic and I am just putting that around the bun, and then I'm just tucking that hair underneath. And now we're just gonna do the exact same steps for this back ponytail. I'm trying again to get that ponytail as close to the edge, and I want it on the side as I possibly can. And now I'm just gonna use a little bit more of the edge control just to clean up her edges. And sometimes I like to use the rat tail comb just to smooth out that ponytail, as well as to get any flyaways to tuck it under that bun. So friends, I wanted to show you that you can finish off this hairstyle by getting a flower headband and just putting that around the bun, or you can just get a bow, put it anywhere around the bun that you think looks best, but we just kept it plain and simple today. So my friends, there you have it, another really cute, simple hairstyle you can do in your little one's hair. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorials. We love you, friends.